إن الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده. Honorable President, Expert Director, and erudite judge, and my brothers of yearly competition seminar, to you all, sincere congratulations. My dear brothers, today discuss topic is history of first khalifa. My dear friends, Hযরত Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala was the first khalifa of Islam. He is born in the triumph of the Quraysh dynasty in Makkah in 573. He is still known as Abu Bakr. When the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam left Makkah for Medina, Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala was always with him. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam fought many battles, and Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala was always with him. Once the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taking to all the followers, he's taking them about a Muslim service to Allah. It is good to give many in his service. Their audience, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, listening to the Prophet. Then the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said this. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu went home and came back with half of his money and goods and put and in front of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, "Wah Rasulullah, when you speak about Allah, I feel love for war people. This is half of my money. I give it to you in Allah's service." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam questioned, "Wah Umar, how much have you kept for your family?" Umar radiallahu ta'ala replied, "Wah Rasulullah, I have kept half for my family, and I have brought half in the service of Allah." Then their audience, Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and put all his money and goods before him. Question again. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam question again. "Wah Abu Bakr, what a gift for your family?" The Prophet Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala said, "Wah Rasulullah, Allah and His Rasul, my dear friends, what a man, what a person, what a great he is, what a khalifa he is." Wow! Yes, it is beauty of Islam. Yes, it is beauty of Islam. He is khalifa, first khalifa of Islam. My dear friends, when was Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam old, and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam fell seriously ill. One day died. When he died, the Muslims stood Hযrত Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, first khalifa. One day the first khalifa, Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu, going to the bazaar, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu met him and said, No, "Whoa, Abu Bakr, no, you can't sell cloth now. There is a lot of work, and there is a lot of work for the khalifa, and it is very important, very important. Dear Rasulullah, please accept money in the state for your family." When Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anhu got money in the state, from the state, and said his daughter Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha to return his diet. My dear audience, it is the character of khalifa. He is greater Khalifa. My dear friends, at last I finished my speech because our time is very short. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.